Looking for a healthier way to cook your favorite meals? The best air fryer oven makes crispy, delicious dishes with little to no oil. Perfect for quick snacks or full meals. It's a kitchen game changer. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cosori Air Fryer Oven. The Cosori air fryer oven is an exceptional upgrade for anyone looking to enjoy healthier, faster, and perfectly cooked meals. With its innovative turbo blaze technology, it delivers a powerful 3600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring crispy, juicy results every time. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control allow for evenly cooked dishes with consistent texture in every bite. The premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant, making cleanup effortless while enhancing the cooking experience. The Turbo Blaze system also speeds up cooking, saving valuable time, which is perfect for busy families. Its 6-quart square basket provides ample space for family-sized meals, while the compact design fits easily on your kitchen counter or cabinet. Noise levels are impressively low, with operation under 53 decibels, creating a quieter, more pleasant kitchen environment. Overall, this air fryer oven combines performance, convenience, and durability, making it a must-have appliance for those seeking efficient and delicious cooking at home. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven stands out as a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its multifunctional design allows you to air fry, roast, bake, and toast, elevating both everyday meals and special gatherings. The 360-degree dual-speed superheated air circulation ensures golden, evenly crisped results, whether you're cooking snacks or larger dishes. For toast lovers, this oven provides precise timing with automatic shutoff, eliminating the risk of burnt toast, and features a visual indicator light that shows where the toasting cycle is complete. The stainless steel exterior adds elegance and durability, while the French door design allows easy access to the interior, complemented by an internal light to monitor cooking progress. This appliance is ideal for both family meals and entertaining guests, offering consistent performance without taking up excessive counter space. Combining efficient cooking, beautiful design, and versatile functionality, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Oven is perfect for home chefs who want a reliable, high-performing air fryer oven that enhances the flavor and texture of every meal. Number 3. Chefman Air Fryer Oven. The Chefman Air Fryer Oven is a versatile all-in-one countertop appliance designed to make healthy cooking simple and convenient. With the ability to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast, it delivers consistent, crispy results while using up to 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Its rapid air heating system cooks food faster and more evenly, eliminating the need for preheating while maintaining delicious flavor and texture. The oven features 17 preset options and an easy-to-use capacitive touchscreen, allowing anyone to create perfect meals with minimal effort. The extra-large 10-liter capacity is ideal for family-sized meals or meal prepping, and the interior light plus extra-large viewing window make it easy to monitor cooking progress. Included accessories such as 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie spit, and drip tray expand cooking options and convenience. Overall, the Chefman Air Fryer Oven is a practical, reliable choice for families and home cooks seeking fast, healthy, and flavorful meals without the hassle of multiple appliances. Number 4. Ninja Air Fryer Oven. The Ninja air fryer oven offers incredible functionality while saving kitchen counter space, making it ideal for modern homes. Its 8-in-1 capabilities include air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, pizza making, toasting, bagel preparation, and dehydrating, making it a true multi-purpose appliance. The innovative oven crisp technology combines infrared heating with rapid air circulation, ensuring edge-to-edge even cooking and perfect results for every dish. Despite its large cooking capacity, it has a compact design that allows it to flip up and store against a backsplash, taking up 50% less space. It can accommodate up to 4 pounds of ingredients for air frying or roasting, bake a 12-inch pizza, or toast 6 slices of bread, making it perfect for small families or entertaining. Cooking is fast, energy efficient, and healthy, using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. With its performance, versatility, and compact design, the Ninja air fryer oven is an excellent solution for anyone looking to enjoy quick, nutritious, and flavorful meals without sacrificing kitchen space. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Oven. The Cuisinart air fryer oven is a premium, high-performing appliance designed to simplify and enhance home cooking. With its 1800-watt power, it offers a variety of cooking functions, including air frying, convection bake, convection broil, grill, toast, and warming, providing unmatched versatility for all types of meals. The spacious interior accommodates 6 slices of bread, up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, a 12-inch pizza, or a 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for families or meal prepping. Air Advantage technology with its top fan and heater assembly optimizes airflow to deliver fast, crispy results while locking in flavor. The adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector give precise control over every dish. The included accessories such as the air fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, ceramic reversible grill or griddle, and easy clean stainless steel interior enhance convenience and simplify cleanup. Combining performance, size, and user-friendly features, the Cuisinart air fryer oven is perfect for home cooks seeking efficiency, delicious results, and versatile functionality in one appliance.